Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace an O2 sensor in a Nissan Versa. Before we begin, it's crucial to gather all your tools. You'll need a jack stands, and a good wrench set. A specialized oxygen sensor socket is absolutely essential for this job, making removal and installation much easier. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to the touch before starting any work, as exhaust components can get extremely hot. Now, let's locate the oxygen sensor. Your Nissan Versa typically has two sensors, one upstream, before the catalytic converter, and one downstream after it. Once you've identified the correct sensor, carefully disconnect its electrical connector. Most connectors have a small release tab you press to separate them. Before attempting to loosen the sensor, use a wire brush to clean any rust or debris from around its base, which can make removal much smoother. With the area clean, it's time to remove the old sensor. Attach your oxygen sensor socket to a ratchet and turn counterclockwise to loosen it. Be prepared, as it might be quite tight. Once removed, take your new oxygen sensor and apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to its threads. This prevents future seizing. Hand thread the new sensor into place to avoid cross-threading, then use your socket and ratchet to tighten it securely, but do not over-tighten. For our final steps, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to your newly installed oxygen sensor. Double-check that the wiring harness is routed safely, away from any hot exhaust parts. Next, use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to clear any diagnostic trouble codes that might be stored in your vehicle's computer. Finally, start your engine and listen for any exhaust leaks. Also, confirm that your check engine light remains off, indicating a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.